The Lord wants me to tell you, you're going to testify about how good God's been to you. The Lord says, what you are walking through now will soon become the very testimony that brings me glory. The pain, the waiting, the prayers and secrets, I have seen it all. And I tell you today, you will testify of my goodness. This is not the end. This is a setup. I am turning your mourning into dancing, your tears into joy, and your questions into praise. I am the God who restores, and I will cause every broken place to overflow with purpose. You will stand and declare, look what the Lord has done. The very thing that tried to silence you will become the platform I use to elevate your voice. The storm will not break you. It will birth a new level of faith in you. You will not just survive, you will shine. You will walk in rooms that once seemed unreachable. You will testify, not just with your words, but with your life, because I am good. Listen, God is about to do something in your life where you know it was nothing but God. They're going to see it. People will see you that never seen you. This will be a spotlight for God's glory upon you. Listen, if this word has blessed you on today, type in the comments, they will see me.